Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into a profound journey through the heart of our healthcare system. Nursing. Yes, those incredible individuals and scrubs who are often the first and most consistent point of care for patients. Nursing as a profession dates back centuries, evolving from basic care provided by family members to a highly skilled and scientifically based practice. The modern nursing began in the 19th century with Florence Nightingale, who is famously known as the Lady with the Lamp. Florence revolutionized nursing during the Crimean War by insisting on clean, sanitary conditions, drastically reducing the death rate. Her legacy was the transformation of nursing into a respected, regulated profession. Fast forward to today, and nurses are the backbone of healthcare, especially highlighted during the recent global pandemic. They work tirelessly, often in challenging circumstances, providing care that spans from birth to end of life. Nurses administer medication, perform procedures, comfort the ill, and are the critical link between patients and the rest of the healthcare team. But why are nurses so essential in both community settings and hospitals? In hospitals, they manage the day-to-day recovery of patients, and in the community, they support preventive care that keeps populations healthier outside of hospital walls. They educate on nutrition, exercise, and managing chronic conditions like diabetes or heart disease. This not only improves quality of life, but also reduces hospital readmissions. Moreover, nurses are advocates. They push for patient rights and for better health policies, which leads to broader societal impacts. Their insights from the front line of care can drive improvements in healthcare systems, making them not just caregivers, but pivotal in shaping health policy and practices. It's clear that without nurses, our healthcare system would collapse. They do more than provide medical care. They offer support, compassion, and unwavering care in the face of adversity. So next time you meet a nurse, remember, they are not just part of the healthcare system. They are the heart of it. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to appreciate the nurses in your life and support them in their critical role. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for your support.